Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to use a master Notion forms and create form in it. So let's get started. Here, at the left, is the tab click on plus icon here. A page is open. Here below, click on Forms. A form is opened now. You can customize the form according to your interest. First, let me add a title here. You can add multiple things into it. You can add description and more. Below here is question. You can make it required so this will be placed. You can also add description in it. Now click on responses, and as you can see here, the responses that will be submitted and questions data type that we selected. Now let's add some more questions. Let's add a multiple choice question and add some choices here. You can delete the choices here and change the positions of choices as well. Now I will add another question which is of type email. Also, let's add another question type of file and media. You can also change the limit of it, but for this you need to buy the plan. The plans can be monthly and yearly, and that's how you can make form in the Notion. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.